Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your official student email ID. First, gather your important documents like your acceptance letter and student identification number. These are essential for the setup process. This unique email address is your gateway to university life, offering many academic and campus benefits. It truly integrates you into the academic community, providing access to exclusive resources. Before setting up your email, confirm your official enrollment status through your university's student portal. This step ensures that your records are fully processed and activated. Your unique student identification number is crucial for verifying your position within the institution. Sometimes, it can take up to 2 business days for your enrollment information to fully update across all campus systems, so please be patient during this initial phase. Next, you will need to access the official university student portal, usually found through a prominent link on the main university website. Use the temporary login credentials you received in your acceptance materials, typically your student identification number, and a default password. It is extremely important to change this temporary password to a new, secure one during your first login. This protects your personal information and academic records immediately. Once inside the student portal, navigate to the specific section for email or account activation. You will likely see clear instructions to set up your new official student email address. Follow these prompts carefully, choosing a strong, memorable password that meets university security requirements. Your new email will usually follow a standard format, perhaps incorporating your name and student identification number, providing a professional and academic identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.